Hey everyone, Eric here from LabFix. Today we got this A1707. It's a very nice 15-inch. It's a little bit older model. It's like 2016, and it's in here for repair. Plug it in, no power. Of course, it's always how it works, right? So we're going to be looking at it today. I actually have a really interesting thing on it. I can't really show the other side because actually there's like I guess I could take it off and stuff, but I'm going to leave it there because she left it there for us. It is from a data recovery place. And they were trying to recover the data on this, and they're not able to do anything for her. So we're in here for repair. Now you're wondering, why would it go to just a data recovery place? Isn't that more straightforward? And how are you going to make it work any different than that place? Well, most of the MacBook Pros from 2016 and above, and a lot of the new, all the new M1s and M2 and M1 Pro Maxes, and all of them actually have a soldered SSD. I think there's one model, the A1708, which has a removable one, but that's not the point. That's not this one. And so everything's soldered to it. So what you need to do is, if there's a problem with the logic board itself there, you need to fix the logic board first, really, to get the data off. So in essence, we're doing a data recovery on top of always doing repair for every single board that we ever do. So if you ever see board level repair, think data recovery too, because that's there. Because you have to fix the board to get the data off, right? So now we're going to be looking into it. Let's go under the microscope, just check it out. So we did find there was a little speck of corrosion that was right under this chip. This is the USB-C IC, some mucks there. We did do a little bit of a cleaning, so we actually didn't record that part of it, but believe me, it was there. It was giving a problem. The corrosion was shoved a little bit under there, enough where we have to do a complete removal, because even when we did clean it, it was still giving a problem. So for this, we need to do a replacement. Now these ones, this is a BGA, which is a ball grid array. You can see all the little solder balls here. And what we need to do is we need to clean up this, because we can't have this old solder here. So we're going to use our hot iron with a little bit of the copper here, and we're obviously going to be using the flux as well. And what this is going to be doing, it's going to be cleaning up all this old solder so we can put in the new chip, because the new chip is going to have the balls that are actually underneath it there. And you can do it without the chip as well. That's a completely different video, completely different repair, well, in its own way. But it's easy to get these chips. These ones are pretty straightforward because they do fail quite a bit here, so it's easy to do that. So we're going to be cleaning and just doing a full replacement on that. If there was a case where we needed to do repair, you could see that we would have to have the stencil for that, and we have to recreate the balls that are actually on the chip. That would be a real fun video. We'll definitely do that one day. But now we're going to be cleaning this up, just making sure it's all nice so we can put in our new chip. And here's our USB IC. See a little Texas Instrument sign. And we're just going to be putting it back, making sure that, and then what we'll do is make sure it's fine, clean it up a little bit, and let's go ahead and test it out and see if it works. All right, let's go ahead and see if it works. We'll plug it in. We're getting our 20 volts, which is good, and about 2 amps now. And we see an Apple logo. So it looks to be fixed, looks to be pretty good. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video on fixing the A1707 2016 MacBook Pro. We were able to at least turn on. We can actually get the data too, but no, it's a working laptop, so they could turn it on. They could use it totally fine. It functions totally well. So you can see there is any type of little bit of liquid damage, even though it's the only part on the whole logic board that it fell, hit right under there, and you had to do a replacement for the IC. That was all fun, wasn't it? I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like. Those help us out a lot. Check out our other videos. We have lots of videos talking about this issue, all other types of board level repairs that we do here. So if you're interested, go ahead, see what we got, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care, guys. Bye.